What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today, as you can see, we have snow. So I've come out to the local park in hopes of finding some of the wildlife and stuff and getting some shots, which are going to be much better than the ones I got last year when it was like this. But I was hoping the snow would continue to fall, which it is doing, but the flakes are not very big at the moment, so just got to wait and see. There is quite a lot of birds and stuff around this area, but I'm going to get out of the path and get into the actual park. I've also brought the Groundpod, which is swinging around back there, and I'll be testing that out as well as the gimbal with some video and stuff. So hopefully we can get some really nice stuff today, but I don't know how long I'm going to be out. I'm absolutely roasting, but it's quite cold, so obviously we'll see. But fingers crossed we get some good shots this year. There's quite a lot of stuff about, so being early morning, it should be quiet in the park as well, so should be good. But without further ado, let's jump into it. So we're currently in the park, and as you can see, I don't know what you can see on the camera, but there is some big flakes coming down. I've got the gimbal and everything set up, and I've got the camera set up. I've seen a couple of nuthatch, and that's about it at the moment. Seems very, very quiet, but there's a lot of people here, which I didn't expect at this time. But, you know, it's what it is. Hopefully find some stuff. If not, I'll end up by the lake, because that's where a lot of the birds are and stuff. But that'll be mainly ducks, swans, that kind of thing. I was hoping for more garden birds and stuff, but nothing seems to be about at the moment. But considering, yeah, you can see the snow's really starting to come down again now, which is a good thing for photos. But yeah, got to find a subject yet. So I've managed a few shots of a few things using the gimbal and the Groundpod. We'll try and get a few more, but apart from your odd, you know, swan, Canada goose, tufted duck, mallards, the odd robin, and I completely messed up a shot of a missile thrush that was feeding. Unfortunately, none of them came out, but it was feeding on a bunch of worms and stuff that it found, which would have been great to get on video or whatever. But yeah, just not to be today. So we're going to try and get a bit more video and a few more shots if I can. Going to go and do another lap of the park basically, and go to the bits where I know generally birds are. But as you can see, it's a beautiful day. It's cold, but it's beautiful. The only downside is that now it has completely stopped snowing, everything's turning to slush, and yeah, I'm not sure on how much more time I have before it starts raining or anything like that, so we'll see. But hopefully, fingers crossed, we get some more decent shots of some stuff, and then I guess I'll call it a day, because there's not a lot going on. It's quite quiet. So as you can see behind me, the park is still covered in snow. But I've decided that now I'm going to make my way home because it's going to start raining soon, I think. And it's just really, really quiet. If I manage to snag anything on the path on the way home, then I'll share some pictures or video, whichever I decide to do. But hopefully you enjoy the video clips and the highlights of this trip at the end. And so yeah, hopefully the next video it'll be a bit warmer and we'll get some more shots of some nice stuff, but we'll see. I don't think the snow's going to stick around, to be completely honest. Yeah, so unfortunately due to noise and people being about and stuff, the bit where the wildlife area is, where they usually come down and feed on nuts with squirrels and nut hatches and whatever else, I saw 2 nut hatches, but it was so noisy they didn't stick around, and squirrels, there was none to be seen. I mean, there's still snow about and stuff, but yeah, just a little bit disappointed because of the noise and everything else. I should have come out stupid early in the morning, to be honest, maybe. But the light was naff as well earlier on. It was really hard to get anything decent, and the camera wouldn't focus on half the stuff. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you in the next one.